how to add a affiliate program to Shopify. To do this, we have to go to the search bar up here. We're going to type in affiliate, and I'm just going to click on this one, search the Shopify App Store, and that will open it in a new tab. And now I want to go with this one because it's built for Shopify and it has a very high rating. So I'm just going to click on that. And for me, it says open because I've already have it installed, but for you, it will say install. So you just click on that and it will take you to a new tab, and you just have to follow the instructions for the installation. So once you do that, you will get to this page here where you can fill in all your information, and you just have to register, and then you can follow the steps to create the affiliate program. And that's it. That's how you add an affiliate program in Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.